Opening scene futuristic, dynamic music plays as the title, Building Intelligent Systems with TensorFlow appears in bold, modern text. The background features animated visuals of AI systems, neural networks, and complex data streams. Ready to dive into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning? Welcome to Building Intelligent Systems with TensorFlow, your ultimate guide to creating powerful AI-driven solutions.
In this course, you'll learn how to create neural networks, train machine learning models, and implement AI solutions that can be applied to industries like healthcare, finance, and technology.
From smart applications to cutting-edge innovations, you'll gain hands-on experience building systems that can learn and adapt, skills that are highly sought after in today's job market.
Thanks to this course, I now feel confident in building AI models using TensorFlow. It's been a game changer for my career.
Take your AI skills to the next level. Enroll in Building Intelligent Systems with TensorFlow today and unlock the future of machine learning.
Join us now at bestlearn.app and start building intelligent systems.